then writing a successful manuscript and publishing in a journal. First of all, you have to select a suitable journal which is more suitable to your manuscript. How you can select the suitable journal? You have to check the your manuscript references. If the most of references belong to a single manuscript, then you should select that journal. Okay. For example, if I have written a paper on enzymology, and most of the references which are present in the manuscript belong to waste and biomass valorization, then you have to select the waste and biomass valorization journal, because it should be more suitable for your paper, because most of the references which are present in your paper belong to this journal. Okay. So selection of a journal, another way to select a journal, you have to read the scope of that journal. If the scope of your journal is matched with your paper scope, then you can see that can say that this is your journal of submission. Then thinking had during research, understanding the publication process, writing the manuscript, submitting the manuscript, responding to the reviewer, publication, and avoiding the common errors. What are common mistakes? Read and follow all formatting guideline. It will reduce the error chances. Be sure the journal is suitable for your research. If it is not suitable of your research, then second day you will get the letter of rejection. Keep in good communication with co-authors, how you can improve the paper. Keep the paper clearly organized and place information in correct location. Be sure you know the existing research and cite it clearly. What are ethical issue? Disclosure of conflict of interest. What is an conflict of interest? A conflict of interest is a situation in which a person or organization is involved in multiple interests, financial or otherwise, and serving one interest could involve working against another. For example, if you have worked in US and you have published your paper in University of Gujarat, this is a clear conflict of interest. So there should be no conflict of interest in a research paper. Then acknowledgement of funding sources must be done. Imagine manipulation guideline. Image manipulation guideline should be their online submission supplementary information like data set and video is also provided to prove your result. For health sciences, a mission of a clinical trial to be central registry is necessary. Why? Because if you are working on animals and humans, then you have to obtain institutional review board approval from the ethical committee. Articles submission. Select your journal carefully. Read the aims and scope of that journal. Either it is matched with your research or not. If it is matched, then you have to submit your manuscript. Think about your target audience and level of your work. Do you have a realistic chance of being accepted? Follow the guideline in the notes for others and include everything they ask. It makes the editor's job easier. So if you follow all the guideline of the editor, then publication process will be easy. Article should not be submitted to more than one journal. It is ethically wrong if you submit more than one journal. You can be blacklisted if you have submitted your paper in more than one journal. Then publication process, then firstly submission process, then acceptation of submission, then a reviewing process. Either it is accepted for publication, or it is has major revision, or it is rejected. Then response to reviewer, you have to answer the all the questions of revision which is asked by your viewer. Then resubmission of edited manuscript. Publishing tips क्या है? Editor and viewer are looking for original and innovative research work that will add the field of study. Keys are for searcher-based paper. Ensure that you have enough number to justify sound statistical conclusion. Mean it contain novelty, and statistical tools are also appropriate. For a larger study, it may be better to produce one important research paper rather than a number of average incremental paper. ठीक है? What is a peer review process? Paper submission, confirmation of receipt, then initial decision by editor. If it is not in the scope of the journal, then it is rejected. It is the dead end of your paper. Then, if it is meets the scope of the journal, then editor send it to the reviewer. Then reviewer signed. Reviewer accept the invitation, then they have a decision. Either they have major revision, either they accept, either they have rejected. If they revised, the revision sent to the revision line, sent to the author, author revise it, revision received, then it is accepted, then it is sent to the publisher. The most important part of the manuscript is the covering letter. Covering letter contain your name, your affiliation, your address, then date. Date can be written here. Then dear editor or respected editor, इसमें लिखना है this work is original one. Article title is that one. For consideration by your journal, I confirm that this work is original and has not been published elsewhere, nor it is currently under the consideration for publication elsewhere. ठीक है? In this paper, I report that these are some result. This significance because result. Then what are the scope line which match with the journal line? Then statement of novelty. What are the novel results? There is no conflict of interest. Then you have to have all the data of corresponding author. ठीक है? Then thank you for your consideration of this manuscript. Sincerely, your name, and sometime it is signed. Wrong covering letter contain copy paste abstract, avoid typo and spelling error. Provide the correct journal title and editor name. Use too technical terminology. Not use too technical terminology. Complain about the previous rejection. You should not complain about the. You should not over interpret your finding. You should not speak negatively about the other studies or researcher. You should not exceed two pages. You should not use too technical terminology. You should not copy paste the abstract in a covering letter. The paper review process. Firstly, author submitted his paper to the journal. Then journal send it to the reviewer, and reviewer check the paper, and it gives three types of result to the editor. Either it is accepted, or it is rejected, or it is go for the major revision. If it goes for the major revision, the editor send it back to the author. Authors give the revision lines. It revised the he revised the manuscript, and then author again send it to the editor, and editor again send to the reviewer. A reviewer assess the paper. It is either rejected. If rejected, it is dead, and either it is accepted. If it is accepted, it sent to for production, and then prepare for proofreads. Then paper published for process. Reason for rejection: an inappropriate scope and audience, lack of novelty, limited impact and urgency, incorrect formatting, flaws in methodology, conclusion not supported by the data, lack of interpretation. ठीक है. Premature publication, Islami science, inadequate literature, and plagiarism is very high. These research data are not available. These are all the reason for the rejection of your paper. Deciding what or when you to publish, some factor to consider: quality of the work, extent of the work, interest of the other. Suggestion: seek guidance in this regard from the others in your field who are more experienced in the publishing journal articles, so you can take guideline from your senior scientist to submit your paper. Present your work orally first in the conferences, in the seminar. Doing so can help in deciding whether the work is publishable and in shaping the process. Identify a target journal. Decide clearly and early. Do not write the paper and then look for a journal. Firstly, you have to select the journal that your paper is matching the scope of which journal. Then you have to write the paper according to that journal. Look for journals that have published work similar to your. Consider journals that have published work that you will cite. Some factor to consider: this work has a larger audience and have a prestige and have access. Uh, it has published in the high impact factor journal. Publication time is reduced, should be reduced. Quality of reproduction, likelihood of acceptation ज़्यादा हो उसमें. You should follow the general instruction to develop a good manuscript. Then after developing the manuscript, then you have to submit the manuscript. There is electronic process commonly via online submission system, like most of the journal have nowadays. Sometimes by email. Inclusion of a cover letter is essential in both conventional and electronic method. Completion of a required items. Initial screening by the journal for appropriate of the subject matter. If your paper is not appropriate for the journal, it is rejected. For compliance with the instruction, if it is not compliance with the instruction, then it is rejected. For overall quality, if the quality of the paper is low, then it will be rejected. Peer review evaluation by expert in the field, purpose to help the editor decide whether to publish the paper or to help the author to improve the paper whether or not the journal accept it. Editor decision based on the peer review advice. The editor's own evaluation, the amount of space in the journal and other factor option accept as it is rare chances में होता है. Accept if suitably revised, reconsider if revised, and after revision, if it is not fulfilled all point, it is rejected. Revising a paper wise and submit quickly. Indicate what revision are made. Include letter saying what revision were made. If you received a list of requested revision, address each in the letter. So you have to question every answer, every question of the reviewers. ठीक है. So you should answer every question of the reviewer. to improve your paper. If a requester show the revision in track changes, you should have to change the revision in other color. If you disagree with the requested revision, then you have to given the explanation of disagreement. Try to find a different way to solve the problem that the editor or reviewer noted. Answering question from the manuscript editor. Some topics of the queries inconsistent. If you answer the queries inconsistently, then it will be larger chances of rejection. Missing information. If you have not appropriate answer, then it can cause a rejection. Ambiguities. These are all have equal chances of rejection. Respond quickly, politely, and completely. ठीक है, to the reviewer response. Responding to the referee's report, read the editor's letter first for instruction. Take a deep breath, proceed to the reports, put them aside for a day or two or a week. Then you start to develop a report or revise a paper. Reread the reports and discuss with co-authors and take help from co-authors in a revision. Revise paper and prepare response document. Remember, even comments that seem aggressive or ignorant can be helpful. Always view this as a chance to improve the paper. So, if there is aggressive comment, you should not mind the aggressive comment. You have to answer the all the questions. Good response to the reference, well organized. Your response is well organized. Address common theme as start, use, quote, and response are numbered system of points raised by each referee. It should be informative, provide full explanation, do not overlook or ignore any point, and your behavior should be polite. A good example क्या है? What is the good example of referee report? For example, he says abstract is too much long, too little about rationale, some repetition and some jargon presented without explanation. ठीक है? What the author responded politely. The rationale behind the study has been established at the beginning of the abstract, line number 29 to 32. The abstract has been shortened to 200 words, and all jargon except zero. A0 has been removed. We do not agree that this term will confuse reader as it is commonly used. However, we have defined A0 in introduction with line number 62. So, this response is polite and well explanatory. If and it will create a good picture of you in the mind of a referee or viewer. This is the bad answer. The presentation is not particularly clear, not concise. I feel the paper would benefit from being shortened with more emphasis on the new conclusion and differences from the previous work. What he answered, as it is clearly apparent that you have not properly read the or understood the paper, comment on clarity or irrelevantly the paper has been shortened. This is an arrogant answer by to the referee, and referee does not like it. It is more chances. There is more chances of rejection here. 2-3 pages report with many fixable but major criticism. I have changed the manuscript in the line with the referee's comment. This is not good answer. Decision. The editor will make a final decision based on how well the referee report have been dealt with. So, revise with care, respond fully to each of the referee comment, present, concluent, cogent and complete argument if you have not followed referee's recommendation. So you should answer the all the referee questions to have a good response. Reviewing typeset material to check if there is a error, then you should remove that error before it is accepted for publication. Some things to check: completeness, accuracy, placement of figure and tables in accurate place, quality of reproduction of figure. This is not the time to rewrite the paper. When there is proof it's ready, you should have to remove the mistakes only, and then the paper is ready for publication. Final step: celebrate your publication. What is impact factor? Impact factor is the number of citation divided by total number of article of that journal. Okay, you can see number of citation, number of article. The impact factor is 14.456. How you can increase the citation of your paper? Present your work in conferences, mention your paper on Twitter, cite your paper in further publication, deposit your paper in Info Sciences, disseminate the news through EPFL channels, add your paper on academic social networks, share your database, talk about your paper in your blogs. ठीक है summary. Writing for successful publication means having a well designed original study to write about. Okay, selecting an appropriate journal, knowing what you want to write, writing clearly about your topic, making the story interesting, highlighting the significance of the result and novelty of your result, responding carefully and positively to referee reports. Okay, what are the 10 tips to getting your paper published? Read many papers and learn from both the good and bad ones. Then more objective you can be about your work, the better of the work will ultimately become. Good editor and viewer will be objective about your work. If you do not write well in English language, take lesson early. It will be invaluable later in the form of a rejection. Learn to live with rejection. Understand what makes good science and what makes good science writing. Be objective about them. Start writing the paper the day you have idea what question to pursue. Become a reviewer early in your age. Decide early on where to try to publish your paper. Quality is everything. You should have quality title. You should have quality abstract. You have quality title. You have quality results. You have quality discussion section. You everything is need quality. Okay, and also you have to add novelty in your research to get published. So journal selection, for elsewhere you have to write elsewhere journal finder, then you have to put your title and abstract in search box, then many suitable journal will appear. Then Springer General Suggester. If you add your title in search box and a full manuscript in the search box, then there are many journals appear. Select your suitable journal which match the scope of your journal and publish it.